Hi everyone. Alright, so today I got a fun activity for you guys, and I'll explain it in a little bit. Okay? But first things first, I want to make sure that you guys are staying active and then try and get everybody involved. So if you have family, if you have other siblings, I know some of you guys have siblings that go to our school too. So make sure you try the activity with them and help them and guide them. And we've gone over some of this stuff, so all of you guys should know how to do some of this stuff. Alright, but I'm going to go over a little bit of a review. And then you guys can help your little siblings out and then learn yourselves and have some practice, because I want you guys practicing too. So today's activity is the sock toss and throw activity. So we do need some socks. Make sure that they're clean socks. Alright, I have one already done, but my other pair, so you're going to need a pair. And you're going to roll them up just like this. Okay, so you're doing some laundry while doing the activity. Super fun, right? And then I'm going to take my extra pair. So if you want a ball that's nice and small, then just use one pair. But if you want that's a little bigger, I want mine a little bigger, I'm just going to put my other sock inside. And then it makes a big, nice little sock ball, okay? So if you don't have a ball at home, boom, right here. Here's our ball, okay? It's a fun, nice ball that you guys can make. So first thing that we're going to work on is tossing, okay? If you have a partner, you can do this with a partner. If you don't have a partner, alright, that's alright, okay? You can do it by yourself, alright? But if you do, then you can work with your partner doing some tossing and catching back and forth, okay? Like we've done. And remember our egg toss challenge? I think everybody got to do that, where every time that you throw it and you catch it, you have to take a big step back and try and see how far you can go. If you're outside, that's going to be a little easier. If you're inside, that's okay. You can do nice and close. Just be careful if you're doing it inside. I'd really recommend the sock ball if you're inside, okay? Just so that you don't hit or break anything. Just be really careful. Make sure you listen to your parents and you let them know that you're going to do the activity first, okay? And let them know what it's going to involve. Alright, so my sock, we're going to work on tossing. So remember tossing, okay? Tossing starts underhand, okay? It's underhand, okay? Tossing is always underhand. Alright, and when you toss, you want to take a step. So usually when you're tossing, you can have a straight, solid base, okay? So you can have just 2 feet wide apart, okay? And you can toss, alright, right underhand, okay? So if you want to practice, okay, some of you guys do need your practice, alright, you're going to toss it right over your head and you're going to catch it with 2 hands. And be careful, because if the ceiling's too low, it's going to hit the ceiling, alright? So, toss, catch, 2 hands. Once you get good at that, okay, you can toss, catch with 1 hand, alright? Toss, catch with 1 hand. Alright, work on both of your hands, your dominant and your non-dominant. My right hand is my dominant side. My left hand is my non-dominant side, okay? So you can try with both, alright? So toss, as high as you can, as low as you can. Alright, so make sure you're tossing. Just remember, step, toss, okay? Step, toss, follow through on your tosses, okay? Step, toss, okay? And catch, okay? 1-handed, 2-handed, whatever you can do, okay? So try as many as you can. And if you have a partner, do your egg toss challenge. See how far you can get. If you're outside, if you're inside, you can still get a few. Just make sure you're not going too high so you don't have that ceiling inside your house, okay? That would not be fun. All right. The next thing is our throwing, okay? Which we've worked on this. We've worked on with our football unit, okay? So remember our football throws. You can throw just like a football, okay? And this is also very similar to baseball, which we haven't gotten to baseball, okay? But hopefully we'll get to it, all right? But for baseball, okay, and football, it's the same kind of stuff. So your elbow goes up, okay? We've worked on that. So your elbow goes up. You want the ball, okay? I got my ball a little bit like right next to my ear, okay? So my elbow up next to my ear, all right? You want to be your shoulder pointing to your partner if you have a partner, all right? Or if you're just going to throw at the couch or find something to throw out, something that you're not going to break, okay? You can always practice with like a chair or anything like that, okay? So when you step, okay, your feet together, you step, feet together, and step, and you throw. When you're done throwing, you always follow through. So remember in football, we would start feet, shoulder, okay? And then we would step and we would always follow through on the throw, okay? Because remember, the more you follow through, the further your football will go, okay? Because if you end your throw right here, it's not going to go as far. You're not going to use all that power from your arm, Okay? So remember, if you're throwing, feet together, step, throw. Okay? So have some fun. If you have a partner, like I said, your siblings, have somebody help you, okay? Have somebody help you, or you help one of your siblings, okay? And make it fun. Usually outside would be best, but if you're inside, that's totally fine. You can have a sock ball, and if you don't have a ball, if you have another ball, you can use your other ball, okay? But I would really want you guys to try this sock ball. It's really cool and fun. And if you even want to do some fun stuff, juggling with your feet, like we've done in soccer, okay, you can use it like a little kickball, just like that. So if any of you guys ever played hacky sack, okay, they have some right here. Sometimes they fill them with like sand and they're small, really ball. But you can also use this sock right here, just like a hacky sack. Let's see how many coaches do. Oh, that was like 5. Okay, so you can do a really good job of kicking. So that's another fun activity. So whatever you can think of, all right, to use this sock ball, it's really super fun. Here I go, one last time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I used both of my feet. Nice. All right. Have some fun. It's super, super fun. I've had lots of fun just doing it right now, okay? So, enjoy it and do lots of fun work, okay? Lots of fun work. All right, bye, guys.